Premier League Season 2, match number 2 is about to start between Knight Riders and Rising Stars. Knight Riders, they are batting first in this game. Joseph Javed and Sagar out there as opener. The first ball of the game number 2 of this EPL Season 2. Oh, good delivery. Left arm round the wicket. Good full delivery and nicely played as well by Joseph. Runs on the board straight away for Knight Riders. A loud shout, and it is denied by the umpire. Bowling round the wicket, good pace by the bowler. Good delivery once again. Ashfaq is the bowler. Oh, good ball once again. In a range, a single will get added to the score. Ashfaq. Bowling round on, left arm round the wicket, and he's up against Joseph. And that is right delivery outside off. Backward punch and a misfield over there. Runs on the ball for the Bain side. And they picked up 3 good running between the wickets. Well, 6 runs on board after first 5 balls. Sagar is playing on 1. Joseph has scored 4. Ashfaq bowling down the wicket. And that must be wide down the left side. I've got a very important personality with me who is behind the scenes which you are seeing over here. It's EPL Season 2 in progress. And it's none other than the chief sponsor, the chief organizer, or the man behind the scene is Sheikh Muhammad Omar. So welcome in the bomb box. Your team has also won the first game comprehensively by 36 runs. I'd really like to take your comments, the way things are progressing, and also the victory of your team.
We are so happy that Ali is a very good player. Last season, he has not broken in one of the team. But surprisingly, this time he has opened up to me and he has managed to so special thanks to everybody. Actually, we know he is a very good player, but we are not expecting this kind of score from him. But it's a surprising score for us and we are very good.
One more thing, your team has done well and it has really, the kind of performance which they have given raised your expectations as well. And you're sensing a victory of Meanwhile, close call for the run out. It's been given. What a wonderful throw from the lead by the fielder. It was fast and right on top of the belts, out of the coaching menu, and all what the bowler could do is just to finish the job, and he has done it. What a wonderful throw, and it's Joseph who has got run out, I guess. It's Joseph. I believe he has lost his wicket. And what a tremendous piece of fielding over there. I think really the rising stars are rising here.
We are trying to learn from our losers, and finally we have done it. And when we lost to mid-order batsman for us, disappointment has come, but our opponent said that keep the pace, take the percentage and levels. We have done very good 4 and 6 that have made them to keep going forward. Every fielder has done very good job on the fielding also. We are doing very tough fielding. We control the score very well, and we have done a good job.
Definitely your team has done a great job, and well, umpire, I think he is checking with the TV umpire confirmation that that was cleanly collected by the fielder and run out is slow, and I think it was a very good decision. Let me tell you that umpiring has been brilliant. Imran is a very senior umpire. He made that decision immediately, and that is also confirmed by the TV umpire. So just one more beautiful thing in this ground that okay, they have got 4 cameras working, and there's a particular person, the broadcaster, sitting inside, and he is monitoring and watching over the things.
Actually, the game season well, and the season well, Sunrise has won the tournament. Now season 2 is going. Let's see. This match is going very interestingly, and the opponent teams are so strong.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Sheikh Muhammad Omar. Well, the next batter should be in before the other batter comes out. So the captain, Knight Riders, is requested to please make sure the next batter is ready. The moment any wicket falls, the wicket is confirmed that the next batter should start moving inside. That is hit towards the mid-on region, and another single taken to the score. Knight Riders have scored 11 after 1.3 overs. Sagar playing on 4. Muhammad Shafat has scored 1 so far. And Cesar White. I've got Muhammad Afif with me, the captain of Sunrisers. Afif, powerful display of performance by your team. First with the bat. Credit goes to Abrar, I guess, and even the other batter. He has as well contributed well, given a very good company. And meanwhile, once again, the bowler here, Atiq Shariha, has picked up a wicket and he has bowled out the batter behind the stumps. A full line delivery, played across the line and paid the price. 12 for the loss of 2 in 1.4 overs. Well, it's Rising Stars have done a great job. They have picked up 2 runs, giving away 12 runs. Knight Riders They really need to work hard here. Meanwhile, talking to Muhammad Afif. Welcome in the com box. What's your comment about the game one which is just finished and you have won it comprehensively? We'll talk more to you about the overall tournament as well. Meanwhile, the departure of wicket has brought Sharan out there in the middle. He's a very good player and the team needs him to stay out there in the middle. Atiq Sharia, he has picked up a wicket, bowling round the wicket to the batter. Sharan facing. And that is nicely played towards the third man. And good fielding. Well, the fielding has been very impressive by the fielders of Rising Stars. They look more energetic and they look more fit as well. If I compare all the three teams, the way they have fielded. Well, ball wide on their pitch down the leg side. Well, as the weather is turning colder here, we are in November month, second week of November. Even the spectators are outside are also feeling that coldness, I think. Those drum beats and everything has gone into the sleeping mode. Those Knight Rider batters are playing there. Mohammad Fauzan needs to start working on something. Yes. I saw you batting. You are very good in actually playing that drum over there. 15 for the last of 2 in 2 overs. And it's Fauzan will be on a roll here. Ahmed Shafar is batting. Ashfaq will be bowling the third over. Oh, nicely played away towards the deep fine leg and just a single taken here.
Elevate your market analysis with our brand. Sinci by the Visa app.
the inside edge only. Not a big damage done on the free hit. 19, in fact 20 runs on the board after 2.3 overs. Played and a miss. Well, lovely ball that was from Ashfaq. End of over number 3. 21 for the loss of 2. For the loss of 2 after 3 overs. Sharan playing on 3. Muhammad Shafat playing on 4. White outside off. Ewares Premier League Season 2. Night Riders. Batting first against Rising Stars. Atiq bowling his second over and he has given back-to-back wides here. That is one problem. Here there are plenty of extras given by the bowlers. It's straight, fielder standing up, ball is racing away, that's nicely driven. And well fielded in the deal by the fielder. Couple of runs added to the score. Good fielding. Well, that will be another wide here. The bowler is struggling in this over. 27 for the loss of 2 in 3.2 overs. Knight Riders batting first. Play towards the leg side. It will be another single here by Shahran. Knight Riders, they have to win this game to qualify for the final. So is the other team. Batsmen need waters. Four runs for the loss of 2 in 3.45 overs. And this will be another wide here. Plenty of wides, plenty of extras given by the bowlers. They have to control this because the extras are going to make a big difference at the end of the game. 9.13 is the current strike rate, just very good. Knight Riders. They need to make sure that they take singles and doubles in order to keep the scorecard moving. Both the batters are well settled. Shahran has scored 10 runs, just hit a boundary just a little while ago, whereas Mohammad Shafar has scored 5 on 8 balls. Meanwhile, it is played away to fine leg and well, avoid to take a single there. Single was definitely there. End of over number 4, 35 for the loss of 2. And the Sham sitting next to me doing the job of a DJ. That is played toward the fine leg. Fielder has done well. Single legged to the score. It's 36 after 4.1 overs. Another wide. 37 for the loss of 2. Fifth over in progress. Score is 37 for the loss of 2, 38 in fact, for the loss of 2. Another wide here. Ashfaq going his third over. Given with 15 runs so far. Sharan still out there. 59 for the loss of 2 in 6.1 overs. Well, I'm very lucky to have on my left and right some very special people. Sajjad Hussain Abbasi. He is always the key behind any successful sports event. Not only he is the chief organizer here, manages these grounds of 7 districts, but let me tell you that he is also the president of YSI Event Management Company. They have remarkable history in conducting the events. And swing and a miss. And that's been given. Well, that's caught behind. It was a loud shout and nicely taken once again by the wicket keeper. So wicket number 3rd has gone down here for Knight Riders in 7th over. सजाद भाई माशाल्लाह काफी अरसे से आप स्पोर्ट्स के ग्राउंड्स में हैं और अगर आपके टोटल माइलस्टोन्स गिनना चाहूँ मैं तो मेरे ख्याल में पॉसिबल नहीं होगा क्योंकि पिछले 7-8 साल से आप इवेंट्स मैनेज कर रहे हैं। बेताशा जल्दी इवेंट आप मैनेज करते रहे, फिर उसके बाद हमने मिलके बुराक स्टार इवेंट कंडक्ट किया। सुपरफिक्स स्पोर्ट्स के आप एक कलीदी मेंबर थे, वहाँ के आप उसके ग्राउंड डायरेक्टर थे, फील्ड डायरेक्टर की पोजीशन पे आप काम कर रहे थे। और सुपरफिक्स स्पोर्ट्स की बात करें तो 54 मिलियन व्यूवरशिप उस टूर्नामेंट की थी। और फिर उसके बाद 7 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स के बेपनाह टूर्नामेंट्स और फिर ECB के जो डी सीरीज होते हैं, D50, D20, D10, वो आप सुपरवाइज कर चुके हैं। और आज एक और बहुत ही खूबसूरत टूर्नामेंट PPL सीजन 2 हो रहा है। अपनी जर्नी के बारे में भी हमें बताएं और 7 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स ग्राउंड के बारे में।
बहुत शुक्रिया नदीम भाई। जैसा कि आपने तकरीबन डिटेल से ही बताया है, तमाम टूर्नामेंट तमाम इवेंट्स जैसे पास में हमने किए अराउंड यूए में मुझे 14 to 15 ईयर्स हो गए, जिसमें से 12 ईयर जो है मैंने क्रिकेट को दिए और क्रिकेट इस दौरान हमने क्रिकेट टीम भी रन की है, क्रिकेट इवेंट भी करवाए हैं, ये सारी चीज़ें की हैं और काफ़ी अच्छा जो है ना वो अलहमदिल्ला एक्सपीरियंस भी रहा है। और उसके साथ साथ यहाँ पे 7 डिस्ट्रिक्ट की बात की जाए तो 7 डिस्ट्रिक्ट में यहाँ पे ग्राउंड जो फैसिलिटी देखा 7 डिस्ट्रिक्ट की 3 ग्राउंड है माशाल्लाह, तो उनमें भी काफ़ी सारे इवेंट्स भी हो रहे हैं और जिसमें सिक्स काउंसिल का टूर्नामेंट अभी जो होने जा रहा है 21 से 30 तक की ICC के अंदर में हो रहा है, वो भी 2 ग्राउंड में हो रहा है। एशियन अंडर 19 में लीग भी हो रही है, तो बड़ा अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है। और यहाँ पे जो कॉर्पोरेट इवेंट होते हैं टीम वेल्स की मैनेजमेंट जो यहाँ पे भी खेल रही है, तो बेसिकली यहाँ पे उनका भी आना हमारे लिए बड़ा खुशाइंद है और हम कॉर्पोरेट की टीम को भी अकोमोडेट करते हैं और चाहते हैं कि वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कॉर्पोरेट की टीम यहाँ पे आके खेलें और इंजॉय करें, क्योंकि अलहमदिल्ला हमारी जो फैसिलिटी है वो टॉप फैसिलिटी में इस वक्त काउंट किया जा रहा है यूनिवर्सिटी क्रिकेट में। तो बहरहाल नदीम भाई, जैसा कि आपने काफ़ी क्रिकेट की है, आप ICC इवेंट्स और ICC के जो मैचेज हैं और ECB के अंदर उसके साथ साथ शारजाह क्रिकेट ग्राउंड में भी आप कमेंट्री करते हैं लाइव, तो आप क्रिकेट को बेहतर समझते हैं कि क्रिकेट ऑर्गेनाइज करना, क्रिकेट को मैनेज करना और इसको सबसे ज़्यादा जो चीज़ होती है वो खुद भी इंजॉय करें और दूसरे में जो लोग आए उनको भी ऐसी फैसिलिटी दें, को भी इंजॉय कर सकें। और हमारा भी ये भी काज है, हमारा जो है 7 डिस्ट्रिक्ट के ऑनर मोहम्मद हैदर भाई, उनका भी यही मिशन है कि यहाँ पे जो भी क्रिकेट खेलने आए वो इंजॉय करें, क्रिकेट को इंजॉय करें और हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कुछ चीज़ें कोशिश करते हैं कि उसको हम सपोर्ट करें और मैनेज करें, ताकि अगले जो भी आए हमारे पास जो भी इवेंट करवाने वाले जो इवेंट जो टीम्स आएँ वो सेटिस्फाइड हों और खुश होकर वापस जाएँ। तो सेम मुझे एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ आज का जो इवेंट है इवेंट और इसमें जो CEO है शेख मोहम्मद भाई, उनका भी थैंक्स कि उन्होंने यहाँ पे हमारे ग्राउंड में आके ये इवेंट करवाया, मुनक़्क़िद किया और मैं थैंक बोलना चाहूँगा अपनी तमाम मैनेजमेंट को और होपफुल कि वो आइंदा भी इसी तरह के इवेंट हमारे ग्राउंड में इंशाल्लाह करवाते रहेंगे। और इस तमाम स्टोरी के पीछे फराज भाई को मैंने देखा है कि बड़े अच्छे ऑर्गेनाइज़र मुझे लग रहे हैं, क्योंकि ये कंपनी का इवेंट है लेकिन वेल ऑर्गेनाइज किया इन्होंने, बड़ा अच्छा इन्होंने कोऑर्डिनेशन किया मेरे साथ, हर चीज़ को प्रॉपर टाइम पे और प्रॉपर तरीके से मैनेज किया। तो मैं भी ये कोशिश करूँगा कि नेक्स्ट वीक कभी इवेंट हो तो हमारे ग्राउंड में, और इनकी भी कोशिश होगी फराज भाई की भी, ये भी हमारे ग्राउंड को चूज़ करें क्योंकि यहाँ पे फुल इंजॉय कर रहे हैं माशाल्लाह, एक फैमिली माहौल बना हुआ है, फैमिली गैदरिंग है। तो थैंक यू वेरी मच नसीम भाई, आपका शुक्रिया कि आप हमारी ये कॉल पे भी यहाँ पे हाजिरी दे देते, इवन कि आपका जो लेवल है वो माशाल्लाह इंटरनेशनल लेवल है, लेकिन फिर भी आप हमें यहाँ पे टाइम देते हैं, उसके थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड आप कंटिन्यू करें। जज़ाकल्लाह।
सजाद भाई, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। सजाद भाई इज़ अ वेरी हम्बल पर्सन। Let me tell you guys that he is one of those organizers in United Arab Emirates who has got the most experience in organizing any sports event. A very reliable person who can always get. He is following the vision and mission of the chairman and he has been very successful. और आपने बात की कि फराज बाजवा साहब बहुत अच्छे ऑर्गेनाइजर हैं और वो होना है क्योंकि उनके नाम के साथ उनका सरनेम बाजवा है। तो हम बाजवा लोगों से बड़े डरते थे क्योंकि बाजवा लोगों के जूते बड़े लंबे होते हैं। और जहाँ तक मेन स्पॉन्सर की बात करें तो उनके नाम के साथ शेख लगा हुआ है, ऊपर से शेख के साथ दूसरा नाम मोहम्मद है और तीसरा नाम उमर है, तो ये तीनों नाम भी बड़े डेंजरस हैं। तो I have got my young commentator alongside sitting with me, 61 runs on the board for Knight Riders against Rising Stars. They lost 4 wickets in 7 overs. So the last 3 overs remaining and Asir has been welcomed by a boundary by Mohammad Shafir down the ground. Asir, what do you got to say here? This is game number 2 in progress.
Mohammad Shafat just hit a 6 down the ground. Mohammad Shafat just hit a 4 down the ground.
Imran.
The shot towards the cover region.
Oh, that's a good hit. Six shot, beautiful in the low middle region, sorry. Here's six. And what a way to get it 50. Fantastic batting. Imran, love you the way you hit the ball.
67 runs off the board. Thank you, Asir. Saifuddin bowling his first over and gave away 6 runs so far. Ahmad Shafat playing on 17.
Brilliant batting from Imran. क्या बात है?
Safiuddin charging in.
Imran
Ahmad Shafat
55.
drives into the cover for 1 run. Knight Riders
Well,
67.
again, good looking shot. Poor fielding. The point region. They come back for second. Yes, that's good running between the wickets.
Safiuddin bowling his first over toward 3 balls.
Imran
This
is
will
on
be the
fire.
4th ball.
Imran
Safiuddin
batting on
charging in.
57.
And it's wide on the offside.
Up to 50% off baby products. Amazon
Another good
February
inning.
sale.
This time straight down the ground for a beautiful boundary.
Safiuddin charging in.
He's dealing in boundaries now. Imran.
Ball in the air. Keeper from the release and it's dropped.
और जल्दी लेके आओ। भूख लगी भाई।
The catch is dropped and they picked up 2 runs from it.
Well, what a miss here by the wicketkeeper. He has got the bigger hands.
And
He has
now
got
they're
the
making
gloves.
it.
Still the catch has gone down out of his hands. Well, a lucky escape for the batter. Parmesh Kevin has got away with that. He has picked up 2 runs. Saifuddin steaming in. Rameshwar is batting. Once again shot delivery and once again he misses on that.
Check, check.
8th over in progress. 71 runs on the board.
Knight Riders 71 for 4 and 7.5 overs is the last ball to lead to win. The projected score is 91, but I think they can make 100. Safiuddin charging in. Kewat, it's a full toss. Didn't time it well. The ball went to long off, long on, and it took a single, and that's the end of over number 8. Knight Riders 72 for 4.
Abdul Qadir Muniri, the captain of our challengers. And then through you. Yasin, Yasin!
Kabir coming to both his third
Once
over.
again, Imran on the strike is in a good form today. And looks really good. He's pretty good timing the ball.
That was in
Quite
the air
well.
and is once again gone toward the short fine leg. And that will be a single.
Oh, poor bowling, not a good ball. Outfield not so quick.
Kabir is getting in to bowl the second ball of the over. So Fullerton ball is wide down the left side.
Well, wides have been an issue here, Asif. I mean, plenty of wides,
Oh,
plenty
again,
of
a good
extras.
looking
But I
shot.
think that
This
could
time finds the
be
field
the
in the
key
middle
factor
region.
later on in the course of the game that who is going to win.
Of course, wide and no ball on the middle. The way coming to ball the connection delivery and this one is
Check,
also
1, 2,
a
3,
wide.
check.
As I
Yasin.
said, they're probably out of these 75 runs. I think they have given away 20 runs as extras. And once again, I must say that they have to be very disciplined.
These runs will be crucial in the game region. And I said the last ball was another wide.
Well, 3 wides in a row. Asif, If you got a chance to bowl, what will be your target action? That was a little ball and that stayed away for a couple of runs. Good shot.
Can you hear me now?
I think it's not a boundary, Asar. It just got stopped over there before it touched the boundary line. But good over so far from the batting side. They have picked up very important runs. Shafat is doing a nice job for his team. Kevin is giving a good company. Well, what a catch taken here. The ball went straight in the hand of the fielder and he has made no mistake whatsoever. Another wicket is fallen down here. Very important wicket in the course of the game. Just now the partnership was getting big and a wicket has fallen here thanks to the brilliant fielding by the fielder here at square leg position. Knight Riders have scored 80, but they lost their fifth wicket in 8.5 overs. That means they had 7 legal balls remaining. The new batter is walking in.
This will be the last delivery of number 9. Knight Riders are 80 for 5. The base of the ball is last ball of the over. So wide.
Another wide here. But still Knight Riders have managed to score a good amount of runs. I think they have every chance to cross 90 runs and that will not be an easy target.
The short delivery pulled away fielder
And all just short of the fielder there. Another single will be the score and this will be the end of over number 9. It is 81 for the loss of 5 after 9 overs.
Knight Riders 82 for 5 in 9 overs. The decent score will get above 95.
For the loss of 5, 81. In fact, 82 for the loss of 5 in 9 overs. And it's Saifuddin who has got the ball in his hand. The first ball hit away to the next side. And the catch is dropped. Yes, center of the catch is dropped. 84 for the loss of 5 in 9.1 overs. Nirmal is batting. And it's a very good ball. A dot ball coming up. Precious dot ball. The first inning of this very crucial game, Knight Riders has scored 4. Let me tell you, if Rising Stars win this game, they will directly qualify for the final against Rising Stars. But if Knight Rider wins, that means they will still have a chance to play another match to qualify for the final. Full ball and another dot ball. Syed Fozan Ahmed.
I don't think Knight Riders can afford missing balls at this stage of the match. So the last shot is to try going big. Safiyuddin bowling, it's a full shot, and they're only getting one run as the fielder.
The catch is dropped and a single is taken. So that is the end of inning of Knight Riders. They have scored 86 runs after losing 5 wickets in their allotted 10 overs. So that means 87 runs will be the target for Rising Stars when they will start the chase of this second game. We in the bomb box will take a short break, but stay tuned as you can enjoy the music after a few minutes as the prayer gets finished. Meanwhile, I really like to take the interview of the captain of Knight Riders, Javed, if you please come onto the stage. Jazeb.
New Face Easy Applicator. Twist.
मैंने आज तक इतना बिल्डअप नहीं देखा। इन सिपाही वालों ने तो हद कर दी। ये कोई गाड़ी झुमके चुराने वाला होगा, उसके लिए पूरे डिपार्टमेंट को काम पे लगा दिया। छोड़ो, जरा बोलो ना बाकी लोग। और लेकर आए ये बंदा। क्या नाम है उनका? पुरानी तो नहीं पता, लेकिन भाई ने मेंशन किया है कि कोई बॉम्बे का शहर है सर। उसका नाम क्या
That's the mood of Ishfaq over there. Rising Stars have to chase down 87 runs in their allotted 60 balls against Knight Riders. Ishfaq is facing the first ball, hits back toward the long run. It's the boundary. Ishfaq rocks here, so is his teammate jubilant. Jazeb was the bowler. The first ball is played for a boundary.
Javed bowled the first ball of the over. Ishfaq hit the first ball for a boundary straight down. Another shot. And it's a 4 runs.
And again it's a 4. The fielder tried his best, but it hit the fence. Another boundary, back-to-back boundaries. Ishfaq wanted Rocky by sound, music, and I think that has really lifted his mood.
Javed bowled third ball of the over. His team again. Ishfaq presently a big shot, but it's a dot ball. Received by Javed in the third ball of the first over.
That was very much onto the stumps, and he wanted to play towards the Team Square region. Beaten on that occasion. Back-to-back boundaries earlier on. But good comeback by Jasif Javed on that occasion. A dot ball. 8 runs on the board after the first 3 balls. Jasif adjusting his fielders. He wants the fine leg to go a little wider. Now what will be the reply here? What is going to happen on the very next ball? Thrills here, enthusiasm as the rising stars checking off.
Jasif Javed has a ball in hand. He's steaming in. Ashfaq looking to play this shot towards cover pitching, but he's been received by Jasif Javed once again. Jasif Javed having a comeback after the first 2 balls of the innings.
Yeah, back-to-back dot balls, definitely strong comeback by Jasif Javed on that occasion. 8 runs on the board after the first 4 balls. First 2 balls disappear for boundary and then 2 dot balls.
Jasif Javed steaming in once more. Ashfaq steps up, hit a shot towards leg side, and the fielder gets to it, and they'll only get 2 runs.
Good fielding in the deal by the fielder. He has cut it off, saved 2 very important runs. But one thing is sure, Asif, Ashfaq, he is one of those batters who is not going to hold it back. He is using those long handles and he is trying to hit it hard.
Looking aggressive, Jasif Javed comparing again to Ashfaq. Ashfaq stepping up again, but he has been deceived this time by Jasif Javed. This is a standing over the first over of the rising stars. 10 for 6 in the first over.
What a start. 10 runs.
Atik Sharia will face the first ball of the second over.
On the board after the first over, and it's time for the second over.
The ball is steaming in. There's the third man for a couple of runs. They're running for a triple and they get a triple. Good running between wickets from Rising Stars.
Well, that's brilliant running. Ashfaq was the one running towards the dangerous end, and he is the one who called for it. And he has safely completed the third run as well. Running between the wickets is brilliant, and Ashfaq wanted desperately the strike back because he is the one who is swinging his bat like the pedestal fan.
Ashfaq looks aggressive. I know he really wants to end this match early. And Sharan is here to bowl the second over of the match. He's steaming in for the second over. He has the ball in hand. He delivers the ball at spot. Goes for a big shot. The fielders are trying to get the catch. Drop. Ashfaq, the big wicket, has been dropped.
But there's a golden opportunity. And the jersey number 6 fielder has just put it down. It could have been end of Ashfaq. Rocky bike, but he has been dropped at mid-off.
Sharan making his fielding adjustments. He got the ball in hand, he's coming. He will bowl to Atif.
That's a dot ball, slow one. Good thinking by Sharan on that occasion. He has deceived the batter. Atif Sharia scored 3. Ashfaq has scored 11 runs on 7 balls. 14 on the board. 1-4. Arbatash 14 runs बना चुके हैं. 1.3 ओवर्स के इख्तिताम पे.
Atif faces his third ball of the day. Sharan steaming into the ball in hand. He delivers the ball. Atif hits it in the air. Hits it long. Couldn't get towards the ball. And they will get a couple of runs.
Well, Fawzan was the fielder once again, and this was hit miles in the air, went far away from the fielder. Another couple of runs added to the score, and there is a change in the field there. Fawzan has been asked to stay inside the circle, so long at mid-on. Another fielder has been placed. But nevertheless, Sharan is doing well, Asif. He has created a couple of opportunities. Could have been a catch, could have been a wicket.
Sharan has really been receiving out from the last ball. Batting them out the park. Delivering that with his bat. Rising Stars
16 for the loss of none after 1.4 overs. 71 runs required by Rising Star in 50 balls. Changing the field, deep long on in place. Sharan gears out to bowl, another delivery to Atik.
Sharan sweeping in to Atik. Atik hits it in the air. Sharan takes it himself. Caught and bowled by Sharan. The first wicket falls for Rising Stars in the 1.5 over.
Oh, that's nice delivery. Sharan once again on a roll here. This time he did not rely on anyone else, but he himself went for it and taken a very comfortable catch, as Atik will have to walk back, who was really struggling against Sharan. 16 for the loss of 1 after 1.5 overs.
The Beer coming into bat at number 3. Let's see what he can do. Can he make a change in the game? Rising Star requires 71 runs of 49 balls. The required run rate is 8.69 and the current run rate is 8.73. So I think Rising Stars keep on going like this till it reaches time.
Sixteen for the loss of 1 in 1.5 overs. The new batter has just walked in.
Sharan coming to bowl. The last ball was over. He got the one and only wicket for Knight Riders. 16 again to the Beer. The Beer plays it nicely straight towards Sharan. It's the end of over number 2. Rising Stars 16 for 1.
16 for 1, yes. Rising Star after 2 overs. Good delivery. Just whistled past the bat. Ashfaq couldn't be able to connect that. Very good delivery. Jazeb bowling his second over. 16 for the loss of 1 after 2.1 overs.
It is a very nice delivery. Just beat the outside edge of Ashfaq. Ashfaq will face the second ball. Jazeb leaving it. Ashfaq steps up. He goes big. He goes huge. It's a massive six by Ashfaq. Now the score is 42 for the loss of 1 in 2.2 overs.
बल्ले की गर्जन, runs आधा गर्जन. Ashfaq hits it big, hits it huge over the cow corner. A huge hit for a 6. Rocky by Ashfaq.
Jazeb Javed for a comeback after that massive blow from Ashfaq. Jazeb Javed has the ball in hand. He's making some field changes. He's stealing it to Ashfaq. Ashfaq goes for the pull. The fielder is coming close. It will not be a 4 wicket, but they will still get a couple of runs from it. 2 more runs added to Rising Stars tally.
And Ashfaq, one good thing is that he is very positive and he's taking his chances, getting runs. Jazeb, last time he was hit for a couple of boundaries and came back very strongly against Ashfaq. Let's see what happens here.
Ashfaq, ready, he tried to hit it big, but just hit his leg. Good ball by Jazeb.
The ball was in the air, definitely. For quite some time, there was a chance opportunity got taken. 25 runs for the loss of 2.5 overs. Plenty of listening, plenty of noise being made by the dugout players of Rising Stars. They are absolutely enjoying the moment. And Mr. Santosh, the cameraman, doing a fantastic job.
Justin Javed coming to the ball, the last ball of the over. And it's been, the beard has been beaten into the short delivery. And this match, the end of over number 3, Rising Stars 25-1. Justin Javed 2 overs.
25 for the loss of 1 after 3 overs. 62 runs required in 42 balls.
Ashfaq will face the first ball of the 4th over. Sharan charging in to Ashfaq. Ashfaq goes big, but he misses it. Sharan just received Ashfaq.
And Sharan can't believe his luck. That was a beautiful slow delivery and it just passed the bells of stumps and Sharan can't believe his luck.
Ashfaq 14 assisted on 13 balls. Sharan coming into ball again. He's charging in. Ashfaq steps up. Another good ball by Sharan.
What a brilliant bowling by Sharan. He is seeing the batter coming, dancing down the track, and he is bowling those beautiful slower ones. Now, this will create plenty of doubts in the mind of the batter, whether to step up or whether to stand his grounds and use those long handles. What's happening next? Let's find.
Sharan Topla coming in again to Ashfaq. He leaves this ball. This was wide. Signal by the umpire. Right now, currently, I think Ashfaq needs to stay in the middle to help his keep chase the total easily. Rising Stars currently require 61 runs and 40 balls. Current required run rate is 9.15.
9.15 and this time slow one, head away toward the fielder there. And he has done well. Good fielding, not easy. Let me tell you, this hard tennis ball is not easy to field. But the fielder over there has done a good job.
Sharan bowling is brilliant spell. He's only given away 7 runs. He has 4.67 economy. Sharan charging in to Ashfaq. Sharan has been bowling very well this over. Let's see what happens. Ashfaq stepping up again. But Sharan has received him one more time in this over. Sharan is looking very good currently.
He's looking good. And on the other end, Ashfaq, I think this time he wanted to hit the ball toward the Sharjah. The way he swings his bat.
Ashfaq, he was looking dangerous at the start, but now Sharan is giving him a challenge. Sharan coming to bowl, the 5th ball of his over. Ashfaq ready to face it. Ashfaq tries to go big, but he misses it once again. Sharan really getting the back of Ashfaq, and Ashfaq isn't able to hit him. Sharan is also frustrated that he isn't able to get Ashfaq's wicket.
Well, this is a wonderful contest. Ashfaq trying to hit hard, Sharan being very smart, using those varieties. And the way he is swinging the bat, even the windy atmosphere can be felt back in Dubai.
This is a close battle between Sharan and Ashfaq. Ashfaq steps up again, but this time it's a wide delivery signaled by the umpire.
Well, those wides are helping the batting side. Other than that, Sharan has been brilliant. He is really making a mockery out of this situation. He has just conceded 8 runs, picked up a wicket earlier.
Sharan, if you haven't bowled an extra this over, it would have been a maiden over. No, I am wrong. Ashfaq hits it down the ground for 2 good runs. And Gambhir repeats the first ball of the 4th over.
Well, it's 29 runs for the loss of 1 after 4 overs. So still 58 runs required in another 36 after 4 overs. The current run rate is 7.25. The required run rate is 9.67. 58 required in 36 balls. First ball, full toss, hit away, chance. Well, that's brilliant effort by the bowler. It was not an easy chance to put on board. He's put a hand to it. Well, I think this match is even Steven Asif. The current run rate is 7. The required run rate is 9. Well, I think that the better will play well here.
This will be a very interesting match when it gets deep. Now, the previous shot will be given straight at the bowler, Mohammad Shafat. There was a hard try. The ball went straight at him. Mohammad Shafat comes to bowl this second ball. The beam hit towards cover. It's good racing to the boundary. And get to the boundary. No, there was a fielder. He cut it to the boundary and then the will get off the mark.
There was a nice shot in the air. He played and got 2 very important runs. 31 runs on the board with that particular shot. 4.2 overs. Required run rate is hovering around 9. The current run rate is hovering around 7. 56 required in 34 balls. I think the good news for the batting side and David and Ashfaq, 2 very good batters out there in the middle. Pulled it! It's going hard!
It's gone for 4. The beam hits his first boundary of the innings.
Well, that was a really fraction shot and Mohammad Shafat has taken full advantage of it. Played towards the deep square leg region. Couple of bounces over the rope. Very important boundary. 35 runs in 4.3 overs. 52 required and 33.
I think this is a very even match. It's looking good for both teams. Rising Stars trying to hit big runs and making some boundaries in the middle. While Knight Riders not letting Rising Stars score that many boundaries. And Mohammad Shafat will come to bowl for the 4th ball of his first over.
Once again shot. Hit is in the air. Not very convincing. Wicketkeeper going after the ball.
He could have taken a couple of runs. Ashfaq demands the strike and he wants to sweep the ball. Ashfaq, at the start of the game, he was a big game changer for Rising Stars. Let's see what he can do now against Mohammad Shafat in his first over.
36. Some adjustment in the field. 36 and 4.4 overs. Ashfaq betting on 22. And he will be facing Shafat.
Ashfaq on the strike. He tries to hit big, but they will go straight to the fielder. Only a single. It's a misfield. It's gone for 4. Ashfaq gets a lucky boundary of his 19th delivery, and he's on 26 runs.
And that was a lucky boundary for Ashfaq. You have to be very strong on the field if you want to win this game. You are defending a low target. You need to make sure that you save all those runs. Well, Ashfaq has gone a little slow over there. I can't really play this KFG song every now and then for him. He has to get motivated out of his strokes.
Ashfaq looking dangerous at the start, but I don't know what happened to him. Now Ashfaq coming, he goes big, but he has missed it.
That was a juicy full toss. And Mohammad Shafat, I think, got away with that. It was a full toss delivery. Nevertheless, it's going to be the end of over number 5. 40 on the board.
good delivery, beautifully played to the deep region. Well stopped. Very good fielding. Very good running between the wickets. Two more here. What a start here. One to the ball. Two without.
Warriors again. What life is strong, and it's coming.
They count the 2 runs.
Well, we need to start the game again. We need to resume it. 40 runs have been scored in 5 overs after the loss of 1 wicket Rising Stars. 47 required in 30 balls. If you talk about the fielding side, Night Riders, they need to keep taking the wickets in order to apply pressure onto the batters to get the scoring run rate. And if you talk about the batting side, I think they will still like a shot and the way to come in the bonus more than the more than the ball. That's how this is you are a batsman. I will request the umpires to please let's resume the game as we are far behind the schedule, so the game needs to really start here. 47 required in 30 balls. It's still even Steven. Both the team have got their chances, and I think this game is really getting very interesting here. Fitting to be like a knockout game. Sean Ross is with me. He wants to really say something very important.
Fantastic batting. 2 boundaries in a row. Boundary and a huge 6 will deep in Longbourn region. What a lovely piece of timing and fantastic batting.
Ashfaq and the Veer had a winning partnership
I don't know his name.
and if this partnership lasts
And you can
long,
see in the replay.
maybe Rising
The ball is
Stars
flying
will win this match
out of the
easily.
ground.
But it's
Fantastic batting. And what a start
you
here.
never know what happens in there.
The flat wicket. Nothing much for the bowlers. This time again, there's a man. No, just in front of the field. And they will come back to second. That is good piece of running between the wickets. What a start here. Not really hard. But he needs to convert these half shots that is true. If you want to win the game, you need to man the deep Longbourn region.
Parmeshwar Kavit is the bowler.
What a start.
And 47
Like you said, the huge
30 balls.
Ashfaq Kavit was his first over in this innings. The Veer Dubai will face his first ball. Kavit coming in to bowl the first ball. The Veer pulls it away. The fielder is coming in. Will it be a boundary? No, the fielder has stopped it at the boundary line, and this will be 3 runs.
Couple of runs, in fact. Fielder has really stopped a good effort. 2 runs added to the score. Well, once again, Parmeshwar Kavit charging in. Daveer is the batter, and I think this will be signaled. Well, it's given no ball. I think it was really pitch outside pitch itself. So, well, it's extra run, and now it will be a free hit. So, Daveer has really got a chance here. It's going to be a free hit. Daveer has got an opportunity.
Ashfaq coming to give some advice to the Veer. This will be a free hit. Let's see what the Veer can do. Kewal will try to receive the Veer on the free hit, but let's see what happens. The Veer batting and Kewal coming into ball. It's a short ball. The Veer can time it well. The free hit will not go for a 6 as I thought. Yeah, it will only be a 6 hit.
Got away with that free hit. It was a half tracker really, and I think Daveer has just missed it. Will not be happy. Now the man back on strike is Ashfaq and will be facing Parmeshwar Khavat. His left-handed batter, some adjustments in the field by the captain of Indian side.
Khavat coming in to bowl the second ball of this over. His fields in innocence. Ashfaq, the left-hand batsman Ashfaq, coming to bat. It has to hit big, but it's not to the final leg fielder. And they will only get one run out of it. The game gains the strike again. Khavat making some more fielding adjustments. Khavat coming to board to the wheel. The short ball.
White signal to the umpire. 22 runs on the board. Without a wicket.
Well, batting side, they need 42 runs
Very,
in
very good
26
start
balls.
here for
Good
Transcar
fight
11.
going on.
Khavat coming to bowl. The wheel stepping up, didn't time it well. It's
Beautiful
going
evening.
no man's land, but two fielders are running in. Will it be a boundary or not?
Beautiful to the decision. Another boundary.
This match is
For bowling.
really
You can see clearly on the screen.
I think this match will definitely go to
Score
last
in New Zealand 2.
Definitely.
26
This
without
match
a
is
wicket.
heading so nicely, evenly poised between both the teams. It's a matter of
You see that.
who is
How
heading this
beautifully
round
picked up
first.
ball. Deep
40
side vision for
required in
the
25 balls.
Looks really good.
Khavat coming into ball.
He's turning the ball absolutely
He will
wonderful.
face it. He will
And what a start here. Perfect
extra
start.
cover. And the fielders coming in and they will get a couple
They
of
are chasing 200 plus.
The pressure is
Nick
really
had a very good start. So they got a start here.
49 runs on the board after, I think the 6 overs are done. It's 49 runs. 30. required in 24 balls.
Right guy is looking good in the bowling, good at the breakthrough. And Ashfaq will face the first ball in the seventh. He steps up. He hits it big. He hits it huge. It's a massive six from Ashfaq. I think that soul really motivated him. He hits a massive blow.
What a blow here at a very crucial stage of the game. सोसनार की एक लोहार की Ashfaq Rocky Bhai hits a six. He goes down. He goes huge. He goes big. It's a massive six. बल्ले की गर्जन runs आधा दर्जन ए फलक वेकिन की झलक दूर तक.
Mohammad Shafal, rough start in the second over. He's coming to bowl second ball. Ashfaq goes big. He goes huge. Once again, back-to-back sixes from Ashfaq. The serve really motivated him, I think. That's another massive blow. Mohammad Shafal runs
What a back-to-back sixes. This really nasty ball is turning it on here.
Ashfaq looks like a completely different person now.
Really good batting. In the first inning, 50-odd runs, more than 50-odd runs from the bat of Imran.
Mohammad Shafal coming again to bowl. The third ball is over.
Better delivery. Brilliantly bowled by Shafat on that occasion. Well, they need to take Ashfaq wicket if they really want to stay in this game. Ashfaq is holding the bat very tight. And he is swinging it hard.
Another good hit. This time with a little bit of division. Fantastic batting from the top. What a shot. Great shot.
Couple of runs for Ashfaq once more. Ashfaq on 41 runs of 45 balls.
I Another 24 runs required in 20 balls. What a game we are having. What a tournament. What a game. 24 required in 20 balls. Ashfaq, the dangerous man, still out there. Shafat, can you provide a wicket here? A chance for the stumping.
The stumping from the keeper. Mohammad Shafat will be really disappointed here. His ball intended delivery now and he deceived the batsman and he couldn't get the wicket.
63 runs in 6.5 overs. Shafat will try again. And once again, better delivery, and it is deceived everyone. No bias, so there will be no run on this particular delivery. End of 7 overs. 63 for the loss of 1. Another 24 required in 18 balls. For the loss of 1 after 7 overs, 24 runs required in 18 balls. Dabir playing on 14 face, 12 balls hit a boundary. On the other end, Ishwaq playing on 41, 27 balls hit, 3 boundaries and 3 lesser sixes.
Current required run rate is 8, while the current run rate is 9. So Rising Stars looking on top. The BA will face the first ball of over number 8. Let's see what he can do.
They need wickets. This is simply the requirement as far as cricket side is concerned. They have to pick wicket like Dabir on the other end playing well. Is Sharan steaming in. Short delivery in fact, but he has deceived the batter. So has the wicketkeeper. No run, a dot ball.
Knight Riders really need a breakthrough here. It's looking tough for them. They haven't picked up a wicket in a while. There's 63 for the loss of only 1. Rising Stars required 4 runs in 17 balls. This match is getting close.
Yeah, definitely. It is getting closer from close. The wheel hits it in the air, runs on the board. 2 is the call. Fielder coming in. And brilliant running between the wickets. They picked up 2 important runs here, reducing the deficit to 22 in 16 balls.
This match is really getting close. The pressure is coming on all the players who are on the field. Sharan steaming in to Dabir. Dabir lets it go. It's a wide down the leg side.
Another run is added in the form of extras. Asir, I have been listening to your valuable comments and advices, and you also play in the match, and if you do any mistakes, I'll show you this recording. Meanwhile, 21 runs required in 16 balls. What a match, what a game we are having.
Sharan steaming in. Dabir tries to go big. Hits it down the ground. Here's coming in. No, it's 4 runs off.
It's not 4. It has been fielded there in the lead. We got to see the signal from umpire. Yes, he confirms 4. Runs required now in 15 balls. Asir has really got a sharp eye. He has picked it that it has gone across the boundary line. 70 on the board after 7.3 overs. 17 runs required in 15 balls. Sharan charging in against Dabir.
Sharan charging in Dabir. Kobe fields to the left side. Business coming to the boundary line. Fielder coming in. There is a boundary on the bat of Dabir. 2 consecutive scores from the bat of Dabir. Score is 74 for the loss of 1 in 7.4 overs. Starting with 13 runs and 14 balls. Rajasthan on top of the Knight Riders in this match.
Back-to-back boundaries. 13 required in 14 balls. Dabir playing a very good now, 24 on 16 years scored. Sharan coming in to both Dabir.
So magnificent Yorker beats the batsman in all ways.
Precious dot ball. What they need is wickets. 10 Sharan. He has bowled superbly. He's going ball of the spell here, just conceded 21 runs. He has created opportunity earlier on also. He is the one who has taken wicket. Can he deliver the punch here? Can he get a wicket?
Sharan, can he get the breakthrough for Knight Riders? He is steaming into the wheel. The wheel tries to hit big, but he has been deceived once again by Sharan. This is a good over for both teams. Now Rajasthan required 13 runs of the last 2 overs. Let's see what they can do. Ashfaq will gain the strike in the ninth.
It's going to be very interesting. Ashfaq is swinging the bat hard. Start by Ashfaq जिस तरह बैट घुमा रहे हैं, वो हवा जो है दुबई में भी फील हो रही है दूसरी साइड में रास्ते में हमारी बड़ी ठंड होगी हो गई और काफी विंडी हो गया है वहाँ का माहौल और एक चीज तो बड़ी क्लियर है कि जब ये वाला म्यूजिक प्ले होता है तो अशफाक वाले को और भी ज्यादा सख्ती से पकड़ते हैं Gives him a kick. It's the same kick that Salman Khan used to take in the Kick movie. And here, it's Ashfaq getting the kick from KGF. Undermining Dawn. 11 मुल्कों की बल्कि सिंह के पीछे और यहाँ पे 7 डिस्ट्रिक्ट में मैच खेल रहे हैं 13 रन चाहिए 12 बॉलों पे
Jazim Javed steaming into the main batter. Ashfaq goes big. Sajjad left fielder. It is dropped. The massive blow to Ashfaq. His catch has been dropped. Will he get motivated or what? Let's see now.
वो कहते हैं ना कि डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल नहीं नामुमकिन है एक मतलब फिर के छोड़ के टीम में अशफाक मियां क्या लग लेकर आए हैं यहाँ पे another one drops and score for 4
4 runs off the bat of Ashfaq. Ashfaq looking very dangerous here. They require 7 runs. Just 7 off 10 deliveries.
7 runs required 10 balls remaining Ashfaq
Ashfaq on 47.
and he is knocked him over. Ashfaq has been removed. He just misses 15 by 3 runs. But he has done his job, I guess. 80 for the loss of 2. Still 7 runs required. 9 balls remaining. And it's Jazeb who has delivered the punch.
Jazim Javed with the big breakthrough. He gets the big, massive wicket of Ashfaq. Ashfaq just misses his 50 by 3 runs. This is a very intense match. Jazim Javed pulled a brilliant delivery and cleaned up Ashfaq's middle stump.
Well, what a blow here. Captain doing the job for his side, Jazeb Javed has bowled a full-length Yorker delivery and bullseye. And look at the reception. Warm welcome for Ashfaq, who blasted very important 47 runs, taken just 29 balls to do that with massive 4 sixes coming out from his bat. He's back in the dugout. Jazeb Javed has picked up a wicket here. Still 7 runs required and 9 balls. Anything can happen in cricket. This is cricket. I have seen over the years the legend of the legend. We have seen Imran Khan saving 3 runs in the last over. I have seen Waqar Yunus saving 4 runs in the last over. I have seen Malanga saving 4 runs, picking up 3 wickets back in 2007 World Cup. Can somebody deliver those punches here? Jazeb will be up against Ajaz. And 7 runs required in 9 balls.
Ajaz is going to face his first ball. Jazim Javed making some important fielding changes. This match is very intense and the pressure will be on both teams now. Jazim Javed looking to get another wicket off this over and Ajaz looking to hit this ball out of the park for a
Karan was looking very, very dangerous. Back to Pavilion.
Six runs required in 8 balls. 81 for the loss of 2, so just a 6 away. Rising Stars to qualify for the final. Whereas fielding side, they need to keep taking wickets.
Jazim Javed used to bowl very well here. One bad delivery and hits the middle of the bat could end this match. Jazim Javed steaming in. The BA completely missed this ball. The dot delivery. Jazim Javed extremely well bowling in the second last over, last delivery of this over.
That was a beautiful full-length Yorker line delivery and he has received the batter. Jazim Javed bowling, will be bowling the last ball of his spell. He has conceded 26 runs but he has taken the all-important wicket. Another good delivery and this time really the batsman didn't have any idea from where it came. Brilliant bowling Jazim. He has bowled a very good over. He has picked up a very important wicket in this. Now it's up to the last over.
Mohammad Shafat coming to bowl the last over to defend 6 runs for 6 deliveries.
Can Mohammad Shafat produce those brilliant deliveries? 6 required in 6 balls. Wicket will be very important. Ajaz and Damir still out there. Ajaz has scored 1 on 1. Shafat bowling to Ajaz. 6 required.
Good bowling. Played a soft hands to the ball region. Not possibly 7 runs.
Not very impressive running between the wicket there. It would have been easy 2 runs. The fielder was very slow to pick the ball. Nevertheless, 5 required to 5. The facing Shafat.
Shafat coming to bowl.
20. Edition 3.
Kabir has missed the ball into the inside.
Shot very good opening ceremony in the first match.
What is the batting side with the
Short game.
5 required in 4 balls.
Still the ball in the air with
Mohammad Shafat
the final agreement boundary.
bowling the all-important last over of this game. 5 required in 4 balls. Damir facing.
Shafat.
He goes big.
Edition 3.
I just want another run, but
Honey Warriors.
no one gives him the strike.
2 very good teams.
4 required, 3 balls remaining. 4 runs required, 3
They
balls
play against
remaining.
each other.
It's Ajaz facing the next ball. And it's Shafat
Hope that will have a
who
great
will win the
match.
ball. Shafat has
Later in the
bowled
evening.
2.3 overs so far.
3
runs given. 4 runs चाहिए, 3
There
balls.
again, a good looking delivery. Well played.
Ajaz facing
And
the
went for a
Shafat.
soft single. Played a soft hand. We were flicking to the Yorker.
And this is a wide down the leg side. This will be some crucial runs for Rising Star. Mohammad Shafat can't afford to give these wides at this point of the match.
Yes, 3 required, 3 required. He hits it in the air, fielder! And the catch is dropped. And just well, that's all happening here. In 7 listed down. 2 runs required, 2 balls remaining.
The Beer will gain this strike on the last 2 balls. There is a lot of pressure on all the fielders who are in the field.
221. I was just checking you. Sahi pakde. 221 the target.
2 runs required, 2 balls
Again,
remaining.
they're going to start here. Let's wait and see.
Full toss! And
Again.
he has been deceived. Oh my goodness. Oh,
No fielder coming back for the second
2
year.
runs required, now
Good
at 1
running.
balls. It was a full toss delivery. And the Beer who has played very well. 5 runs he has scored. Just somehow
Played on the onside region.
even on the
in the lead.
occasion.
But let's get a
2
second.
runs required, 1 ball remaining. Shafat has done well so far. Damir has done well so far as well. He has scored 25 runs. 2 runs required, 1 ball remaining. They can't afford to go more and wide. What is going to happen here? He hits it toward the next side, and the fielder has struck it. I don't have words to describe this. What a scene here in the last ball. I totally can't breathe properly. Thank you also for giving me a company. As the fielder could not see the ball where it went, otherwise he would have been a run out there. But nevertheless, I think it was a very close game. Knight Riders, they have really fought hard, especially Mohammad Shafat. He has bowled well in the last over. Defending 6 runs was never easy, but he has done it well. Unfortunately for him, the fielders are not given the sport to him, otherwise Knight Riders would have won this game. Nevertheless, Rising Stars have qualified for the final and they will be playing the final after a good break of 15 minutes against the Sunrisers.